It certainly was an awesome day to be a Bitcoin follower. If you didn't watch the market today, let me give you a quick recap. So Bitcoin did pop above 68,000. That's been a level of resistance, a ceiling of resistance for a while now, a couple weeks, a couple months. Let me see here. If you look at this chart here, it's been a hot minute since we were at the $68,000 mark. I mean, gosh, I'm going back. It's been a while. So it's good to see Bitcoin pop up above, try saying that 8 times real fast, that level of resistance it's been going up into and popping back down. Well, today it broke through around 11:35 Eastern Standard Time, and it popped through, recessed, and then, but check this out. This is the cool part. It hit a low here. The next lows were up here, and the next low was up here, and then here. So it's finding that level of resistance. It's right around there as we speak, but it did pop through a couple times today, which is good. So I'm very pro bull mode right now. There's a lot of things going on, but look at the crypto bubbles for today. If you look at this, most of the cryptos are red, and you looked at who sucked in all the liquidity. Bitcoin sucked up all the liquidity. It feels like, maybe that's not exactly what happened, but Ethereum and Bitcoin, the two major players in the space. I know there's a lot of FUD about Ethereum, but the reality is that layer 1 blockchain, there's a lot of things built on that. And so you see Bitcoin's up. Sol took a hit today. A couple of the other major, Litecoin, AVAX, Tau, Uni, Link, Polkadot, they all took hits today. Why? I believe Bitcoin just sucked in all the liquidity and people are running with it. They're saying that's the big papa, and it showed today. So look, fear and greed. Just last weekend we were pointing more towards the fear side, and the price reflected it. Now we're more on the greed side. So what does that mean? It means be very careful with your trades right now. Be very, very careful of your trades right now, because it could be a pullback. If you go out a little farther, you see where we've been, where we're going. This is certainly nice to be above this trend line right here. In the bull flag, if we stay above that, but it could shoot down before it goes back up, or it could shoot down and never come back up. These are the risks of crypto trading. But I think I, for one, am more of the school of thought that it's going to, maybe pull back a little bit and we'll see a low, not as low as some of the other lows here, and maybe just shoot back up. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research and make your own decisions. Now, as far as trading goes, I got my ass handed to me again today. I had a video, my last video, liquidation lessons. Well, didn't learn that lesson well. I reduced the leverage, and I'm still in a trade right now that has, it is a winner. It's barely breaking even on a SUI trade, but that's not why I'm here today. But this SUI trade I'm in, it's, SUI's taking a beating. I could have gotten out of this trade. I'm slightly below where I need to be profitable, but I'm right there. I thought when we hit that 210 mark, that was a buy signal. I was wrong. It's been popping down right around 199 and things like that. Actually, right around, this is a longer chart. You go here. I was playing this. I was just, come on. I was right outside of my range. I'm right around there. I'm going to hold on to the SUI. I still believe in SUI. There's a lot of liquidations today in SUI. I was one of them on a small trade. My bigger trade is still in the money, or just slightly out of the money, I should say. I'm at 210. It's at 207. But I'm looking forward to watching SUI go. Is it going to break new highs? Possibly. But I'm really looking at the entire market right now and all my altcoins and other things like that are going strong. So I do believe with all the news, you can't go 5 minutes without BlackRock talking about Bitcoin. They had their earnings report, and what are they talking about? They're talking about Bitcoin. They're talking about what it looks like in the future. Now, BlackRock, quite frankly, is a large company. What is it, 15 trillion under management, and they're pushing. They believe that I've read lots of things. They're preparing for the crash of the dollar. They're stocking up on Bitcoin. People are buying Bitcoin. Now, it's retail. It's not that popular. But if you look at the institutional traders, the big money, the whales, they're buying Bitcoin. Am I telling you to go out and buy Bitcoin? I am. You do what you want to do. But I'm taking my money that I have, and I'm trying to figure out how to work it towards Bitcoin. All right. I'm still trading through EasyBot. And quite frankly, EasyBot is one of the things that I've had going for man, EasyBot I've had for over 2 years now. And it's had a small losing trade because I closed the trade myself, but it does not close losing trades. And it is a great bot that uses your exchanges to trade with your money in your exchanges. It just sends an API signal to buy and to sell. Are there risks? Absolutely. You're still buying crypto and selling crypto. Could crypto go to zero? It always could go to zero. Could you lose money? Absolutely. But right now, EasyBot, if you're not a buyer of EasyBot, or if you're not a user of EasyBot, check it out. Use my link down below. They'll give you 2 free bots. You can connect up to 1 different exchange. Whether if you're in the US, it's Binance US. No, it's Kraken right now. It's pretty much Kraken or Coinbase. If you're outside the US, there's more options. But inside the US, Kraken or Coinbase. And they give you a 45-day trial. You get 2 bots to trade with, to play around with it. 1 connection, you can connect up to 1 exchange. And they also, with my, this offer ends the end of this month. It's pretty much half off any of the bots. I use the Pro platform. This is the one I trade with. I have up to 25 bots, 3 connections, lots of other things. I've done this for, August 25th of 2022. So we're 2+ years in EasyBot, and it hasn't let me down yet. So if you don't know how to trade, if you're like me trying to figure out trading, or want to find a bot to trade for you when you're sleeping or when you're at work, this is a good platform to look at. I have an affiliate link down below. Check it out. Use my link, get up to 2 free bots. Right now through the end of this month, you can really save some money on the bots. This is a subscription software, okay? It's software that trades your money in your exchange through an API. And it's not like one of these DeFi projects that says they're going to do all these things, then it just takes your money. It cannot do that because the money's in your exchange, as far as I know. So that's what I got. See, it says renew because that's what I have. That's all I have right now. I'm really looking forward to seeing what's going to happen to Bitcoin in the next couple of days. Are we going to have a retracement? If you've made it this far, put down below what you think is going to happen to Bitcoin. Are we going to have a retracement? Is it going to go down to 60,000? Is it going to go up to 80? What do you think is going to happen with Bitcoin? I'll give you a small prediction. I believe, let's take a quick crack at this. I believe Bitcoin is going to go, let me see here. I think we might have a small retracement, then pop up above the 68. Hopefully the 68 becomes a floor of support versus a ceiling of resistance like we have now. Again, that's all I got. Hope you found some kind of value in this, whether it be entertainment or otherwise. Like, subscribe, share, do all those things, and I'll see you next time.